We are pleased to show you the 2016 911. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear fog light, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, passenger vanity mirror, power driver seat.
Owning a Porsche should be a very special experience. That's why when you buy a Porsche approved vehicle, we do everything we can to ensure it's as good as it looks. You can expect driving pleasure, quality, safety, and stability of value. See your dealer for details.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.